National Electrical Code Article 300.22 addresses outside branch circuits and feeders. Section B. Overhead spans. Paragraph 2 states that where open overhead conductors cross over buildings or other structures, the conductors shall be at least 8 feet above the highest point of the roof over which they pass. Alternatively, they can be located so that a clearance of 8 feet is maintained between the conductors and any portion of the building below the conductors. Section C addresses clearance from the ground. Paragraph 1 states that service conductors and other conductors installed as overhead spans must have a clearance from the ground or from any platform or projection from which they might be reached, as follows. Subparagraph A states a clearance of 10 feet for spans over 40 feet. Section D addresses raceway and cable installations. Paragraph 1 states that raceways, cables, and conductors shall not be installed in, through, or on a building or other structure in such a manner as to be exposed to physical damage. Therefore, according to the National Electrical Code, overhead conductors such as feeders are not permitted to cross over buildings unless they are at least 8 feet above the roof, or maintained with a clearance of 8 feet from any part of the building below. Also, open overhead conductors are not permitted to be installed in or on a building in a way that exposes them to physical damage. In summary, running a feeder through an open ceiling within a tenant space may violate the National Electrical Code. The code mandates that such feeders should be run either underground or on the outside of the building, while adhering to specific clearance requirements. Ignoring these regulations may lead to code violations and potential safety hazards. It's crucial to adhere to the National Electrical Code to ensure safe and compliant electrical installations.